Hey, what's up, everybody? Hey, just checking in. I wanted to show off my new apron that Joe sent me, my buddy Joe, and he felt, the claw needed an apron to be official. Hey, if I'm gonna be a cook and start doing cooking videos, you gotta have an apron, right? And that's what Joe felt. He's been a really great supporter of the channel, so I wanted to do something kind of fun. So, and you know what? To thank Joe, I got just the thing today. Joe is Italian. And you know what Joe likes? Italian food, but especially pasta. Who doesn't love pasta? We all love pasta. Whether you're Italian or not, you love pasta. It's so good. We all love it. Carbs and all, we just love it. So guess what I'm making today? Well, I know you're not gonna guess, but I'll tell you. It's a baked rotini pasta. So we're gonna have some fun here today. We're gonna check it out. Let's just get started. Cooking with the claw. Starts now. Let's get started on ingredients here. We're gonna have our 1 pound of lean ground turkey, 1 jar of organic marinara sauce, fresh chopped up tomatoes, fresh crushed garlic. We're gonna have fresh basil, a cup of diced onion, 1 package of rotini pasta. We have our slices of mozzarella, as well as shredded Parmesan and grated Parmesan. And then I have a little extra fresh mozzarella
Basically lots of cheese,
left over. I'm gonna
okay?
throw that in there. And then for spices, we're gonna have black pepper, basil, chili powder, fennel seeds, paprika, ground turmeric, and an Italian blend there. We're gonna cook everything in a Corningware. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil to the pan. Our ground turkey in, just like so. Okay, so also while we're cooking this, what we can do is sprinkle some of our black pepper onto the turkey. Let's do a little bit of basil. This will season this side nice. Blend. Discovered the seasoning the other day. It really worked out good. Let's do some paprika. Okay, a little bit of ground organic turmeric. And my secret weapon when it comes to Italian pasta these days is fennel seed. I just love the taste of it. I don't know why. It just really gives such a good flavor to any like Italian pasta or sauce dish. Turn this now. So let's get this one swift motion like that. The other side, the seasoning. Add in are the onions, a cup of onions, diced, and 2 small tomatoes, diced. Are going into the mix. We're going to get these working. And the reason I'm getting the tomato in there to cook a little bit first, when we put it in the oven in the Corningware, it's just more or less to kind of meld everything together and not so much to cook anything. So I want everything, the meat, and these veggies cooked for the most part ahead of time, so that, especially for the tomato, so you don't get the acidity. If you don't cook tomato in advance, it can be a little bit acidic. So we are putting garlic in the sauce itself, crushed garlic, but I want to add a little bit of garlic powder to season the meat, just probably about a tablespoon or a little bit less. So everything's cooking pretty good here. We are looking good. I'm gonna add in our organic spaghetti sauce. You can use any kind you like. Let's turn up the heat just slightly to get it to a boil. Okay, so that's boiling nice now. Let's turn it down to low and let that simmer. While we're letting the sauce simmer, we're gonna go ahead and heat up a pot of water to cook our pasta. Okay, our water's boiling. let's take our 1 pound, or take our 1 pound of rotini pasta and add it in. Give it a good stir. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, now that the sauce is kind of boiling up and kind of simmering nice, is we're gonna add in the rest of our garlic. The crushed garlic, this is really gonna give it a good, nice garlicky flavor. And if you don't like garlic, you can leave this step out. You could just season the meat with the garlic if you want, or not at all. Some people don't like garlic, but I happen to love it, and so just going. So we're gonna do garlic in this dish. And that'll be so nice in the sauce, yeah. So we're gonna let this cook just a few more minutes, and then we're probably gonna take it from the heat and wait for the pasta to finish cooking. Pasta's all done cooking. Let's get it drained. I want to cool it down a little bit. I don't want it to keep cooking because we're going to put it in the oven soon enough with the sauce and everything. So let's get our oven on. We're going to set it for 350. Go ahead and add your sauce in to a larger pan or pot and wait for it to cool down a bit. We're going to take our pasta that's all cooked and cooled. Just put it on in. We're just going to work this together. This is our pasta. Like basically you could just serve it like this and it'd be delish. But we're taking it to a next level. This is gonna be a baked rotini pasta with lots of good cheesiness to come. Maybe some cheese too. The grated Parmesan cheese. We've got a half a cup here. What we're gonna do is just start tossing it in. We're gonna layer this almost like it's a lasagna. We're gonna do this in steps. Okay, so here's our first little layer here. Just like so. Basil in there. Let's kind of break it up. Got fresh basil. Can't go wrong with fresh basil, it's so good. All right, next, let's put that fresh mozzarella in I had. Just break that up. Then I have the sliced mozzarella. So also the same thing, I'm just gonna kind of break it up. Because once it melts, it'll all kind of come together here. Okay. Let's do more fresh basil. Now what we're gonna do with the mozzarella now is we're just gonna lay it on there like that. Just kind of cover the whole thing. All right, and then the final ingredient, the shredded Parmesan. Okay. So we're just gonna sprinkle that all on. Okay, so let's get this in the 350-degree oven. There's 15 minutes left on the timer, but what I'm gonna go ahead and do is take the lid off. That is a vision of loveliness. Sprinkle a little parsley on top. A little extra greenery there. Voila. Baked rotini pasta. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed the video today and enjoyed the recipe. If you feel like trying it out and getting back to me and letting me know what you thought of it, I'd love to hear your experience with it. I know everybody probably already has a version of this they've done. This is just the way I'm making it today. Just provide it for your entertainment, and hope you had a good time. I know I had fun showing it to you, and I'll look forward to seeing you next time. In the meantime, if you did enjoy the video, make sure you give me a like on the video on your way out. please subscribe to my channel so you can get notified also of future videos. You can click the bell icon on there as well. So you guys have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Cheers, everybody. Have a great day.